Yo guys, I'm back with another video. Today, I am going to be getting cash from the one and only Rebels fam. Yeah, say hi to YouTube. And yeah, he's gonna give me some cash because I've been in need for some cash. I'm only at 100k right now, which is pretty damn sad when I used to have like 43 mil. Oh no, I went into reserve. Yeah, I had money on another account, but I sold it for PayPal. Guess you guys know how I love my PayPal. So, and on me. Is that a regular F1? Oh, it's an F1 GTR. Oh, and oh shit. Okay. You keep to me. Next one, no. Hold up. Ooh, that's a nice looking fucking RS, bro. No, I fucking collect Nismos. Thanks, LOL. Let's get our 300k. Um, but if you guys want to donate or give me cash, just message me. Let's bet pings. My nose is still stuffed up, guys. I'm feeling better, but this morning was kind of a step back. So, next one. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Sure. I need money. So. Thank you, Brother Sam. Again, you know he's been really cool. He's been giving me cars, cash, etc. He's been really cool. Oh yeah, it is 100k more. I forgot. Thank you again, Marvel Sam. This means a lot. Now I can upgrade some cars, maybe some turf tune my Nismo. Thank you. Next one. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys next time.